Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Binance to Phantom wallet. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that can help me out. So let's get started. So the first step is to get your wallet address to open your Phantom wallet extension or app. So the extension is for the desktop user. If you are on a web browser, then click on deposit or copy your Solana address, which starts with the S capital letter. Then from there, open your Binance app, then go to wallet and click on fiat and spot. Then from there, search for Solana, which is the SOL abbreviation, or a Solana based token like USDC XPL. Then click on withdraw, then paste your Phantom wallet address. From there, select the Solana network to avoid high fee. Then enter the amount and click on withdraw. Then confirm with a two-factor, which is a 2FA, which is two-factor authentication. Confirm that, then check your Phantom wallet. The transfer usually completes within a few minutes on Solana, and that's how you can simply send money from your Binance to your Solana wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.